Alrighty, y'all, let's change the straps on this Barton Springs II. So I send these out from the shop here with the nylon pass-through strap, but it also includes an FKM rubber strap. And these rubber straps have the quick change spring bars on them. So to remove the nylon strap, it's simply fed through like this, and then you just simply slide it off. And then the standard spring bars are going to be on the watch. You don't really need a special tool except for fingernails. So you just take your fingernails, there's a little tiny lip at the very end of the spring bar that's sitting into the lug. You just depress it down. Be careful not to, since they are spring loaded, not to lose your grip, or you could, send these things across a table in this example. But anyway, it's very easy to take those off. It's more just a technique to get the little ridge, your fingernail in that little ridge, and depress that spring bar down. And then when you want to put on the rubber strap, if you're looking at the watch, the 12 o'clock position, the short end of the strap goes on that. So I always take the watch with the crown up, and I put my finger on this side so that I can guide the spring bar into the lug hole, and then just simply move it over and use your fingernail to depress that spring and just slide it into place. Then the same thing on the other side. Now the crown is down for the long end. Put it in the spring bar, the lug hole. Pull that spring bar down, and it just kind of snaps in position. Hope that helps. Thanks, y'all.